In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Chime card not working. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple solutions on how to fix a Chime card that is not accepting transactions. So, the first step and the most obvious one is to make sure that your card is properly activated. It might seem simple, but a lot of people forget that they have to activate the card through the latest version of their mobile app after you receive it. So, if you open the latest version of their mobile app and you sign into your Chime account, if the card was successfully delivered to you, you will find this message on the home screen. Your card was delivered. The date in which it was delivered is going to appear, and finally, the button to activate it is going to be available. Tap the activate option and follow the instructions on screen. I cannot show you this full process because it contains some personal information, but you will simply have to confirm the details about the card. If everything is valid and legitimate and the card was successfully delivered, it is now going to be active and ready to be used for any in-store or online transactions that you make. So once you are done activating the card through this window, the next thing to check is to go into your card session by using the mobile app and then go into the card settings. Inside of the card settings, the first option that you are going to find under the debit card category is this menu here, Allow Transactions. This option needs to be toggled on because, as you can probably tell, if this is toggled off, transactions will not be allowed through this card. So, by ensuring that this is enabled, and you can also enable international transactions if you are going to be outside of the country, you are going to be able to use your card. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do to fix your card. The last thing that I would recommend is making sure that you have enough balance on your account, and you can check this by going over to the home screen, scrolling down into the specific account that you would like to review, and if necessary, choose the option to add money. Besides this, you can contact their customer support because for the most part, as soon as you activate your card and you make sure that transactions are allowed, you don't have to do any sort of special setup. So if the card is still not working, talk to their customer support and see what can be done for your specific issue. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Chime card not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.